Samsung call alerts and ringtone setting. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you that how you can set call alerts and ringtone. Okay, so guys, if you want to know about call alerts and ringtone setting, okay, in your Samsung phone, so guys, you may be using any kind of Samsung device. Okay, so in that phone you can simply do this kind of setting, call alerts and ringtone setting. Okay, so guys, let's not waste time and directly let's start the video. Guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our channel, and then guys, click the bell icon to get all the latest update from our channel and keep watching it. Okay, so guys, if you want to do this setting, okay, Samsung call alerts and ringtone setting, so simply you need to tap on your dialer. Okay, so from here you can do different call alerts setting. So tap on the three dots and then guys go to setting, and here you will find call alerts and ringtone. Okay, so go here, and guys, as you can see, this is your call alerts and ringtone setting. Okay, so guys, as you can see on the first list, okay, vibrate when answered. So guys, whenever you call someone, okay, and if they pick your call, then guys your phone will get a vibrate, okay, from which you will be able to know that that person is pick up your phone. Okay, so this setting is for that reason. And then guys, in the second, as you can see, vibrate when call ends. Okay, so whenever the call goes end, okay, whenever they cut your calls or whenever you cut the call, okay, so guys, you will feel a vibrate. Okay, whenever your calls end, you will feel a vibrate. Okay, so from that you will know that phone is cut. Okay, so this is the setting. And then guys, play tones when call connects. Okay, on the next setting, play tone when call connects. So this setting is for what reason? Play tone when call connect. Okay guys, okay, so whenever okay guys, there is a tone, okay, in your Samsung phone whenever your call gets connected. Okay, whenever phone gets ringing, okay, if you are calling someone and if that phone is connected to them, okay, then guys, you will hear a sound, okay, in your Samsung phone. Okay, this setting is for that reason. So guys, if you want to check, you can call someone and guys check it. Okay, in the but guys, you will hear this tone in the first, okay, whenever the phone connects. Okay, so this is for that setting. And then guys, play tone when call ends. Okay, so whenever the phone gets end, so you will hear a sound, okay, tone. You will hear some tone. Okay, so here, notify during calls. Okay, allow alarms and notification to sound during call. So whenever you are in a call, okay, if you are talking with someone, and guys, if any notifications or alarm is ringing, then guys, you will hear that sound. Okay, so because of that reason, this setting is given. And guys, in this downside, from here you can set your ringtone. Okay, so as you can see, this is a ringtone. So from here you can set your ringtone. Okay, and guys, so this is done. Okay, so this is how you can set call alerts, and this is how you can set your ringtone. I hope this video definitely helps you. Thanks for watching.